Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 highest mountains in Somalia. Let's explore the majestic peaks that define the landscape of this beautiful country. Somalia, a land often associated with arid plains and a dramatic coastline, also harbors a secret, a spine of mountains that rise unexpectedly from the dry landscapes. These peaks, weathered by time and wind, are not just geographical features. They are silent guardians, bearing witness to the changing seasons and the enduring spirit of Somalia. Join me now as we ascend these heights, exploring their unique beauty and the vital role they play in this enchanting part of Africa. Our journey begins in the heart of the Amadou mountain range, a chain of peaks that stretch across northern Somalia. Here, amidst the rugged terrain, rises Shimbiris, the highest peak in the country, standing proud at 2,416 meters. Shimbiris, whose name echoes through the centuries in Somali folklore, is a true testament to the power of nature. Its slopes, cloaked in a tapestry of green during the brief but vital rainy season, provide a haven for a surprising diversity of life. Gazelle graze on the lower slopes, their silhouettes stark against the rising sun, while birds of prey such as the majestic auger buzzard circle effortlessly on thermals, their keen eyes scanning the landscape below. Shimbiris is not just a mountain, it is a world unto itself. Not far from Shimbiris, sharing the same breathtaking views and challenging terrain, stands Surud Kad, the second highest peak in Somalia. At 2,408 meters, it stands as a silent sentinel overlooking the valleys below. Surud Kad, meaning White Peak in Somali, takes its name from the pale limestone that forms its upper reaches, gleaming brightly under the intense African sun. The slopes of Surud Kad are a tapestry of colors and textures, a testament to the geological forces that shape this land. The lower slopes, cloaked in hardy shrubs and acacia trees, give way to steeper, rockier terrain as you ascend. Here, amongst the crags and crevices, live hyrax, their calls echoing through the thin mountain air, a constant reminder of the tenacity of life in this seemingly harsh environment. Our journey takes us south now to the Kalmado mountain range, where we encounter Warak, a peak that lives up to its name, which means high or lofty in Somali. Reaching a height of 2,400 meters, Warak is a mountain known for its rugged beauty and the sense of isolation it evokes. Here, amidst the sheer cliffs and deep ravines, the wind whispers tales of a time when this land was ruled by ancient empires. The views from Warak's summit are simply breathtaking. A panorama of rolling hills, dry riverbeds, and distant peaks fading into the hazy horizon. This is a land where eagles soar, their shadows gliding effortlessly over the rugged terrain below. The lammergeier, a truly impressive vulture with a wingspan that can reach up to 3 meters, is a common sight here. Its presence a reminder of the delicate balance of life and death that plays out on these mountain slopes. We now venture to the northern reaches of Somalia, where we find Karkur, a mountain that stands as a prominent landmark in a region known for its harsh beauty. At 2,300 meters, Karkur is not just geographically imposing, it also holds cultural significance for the nomadic communities who graze their livestock on its lower slopes. Karkur, meaning the tall one in Somali, has served as a natural fortress throughout history. Its slopes, dotted with caves and hidden valleys, provided refuge for those seeking shelter from invaders or the harsh elements. Today, the mountain slopes are still home to a rich diversity of life, including the endangered Somali wild ass, a testament to the resilience of nature in the face of adversity. Our final destination takes us to Gaken Libax, a mountain that rises to 2,200 meters and is renowned for its unique rock formations and the stories that surround them. Gaken Libax, meaning lion's hand in Somali, is aptly named. The mountain's jagged peaks, weathered by centuries of wind and rain, truly resemble the claws of a giant lion reaching for the sky. These dramatic formations, sculpted by the forces of erosion, are not just visually stunning, they also provide vital shelter for a surprising array of wildlife. Here, amidst the towering rocks and hidden crevices, you might catch a glimpse of the elusive klipspringer, a small antelope known for its incredible agility as it navigates the treacherous terrain. Gagan Libax is a reminder that even in the most arid landscapes, life finds a way to thrive. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Somalia's highest mountains. From the towering heights of Shimbiris to the unique rock formations of Gagan Libax, these peaks offer us a glimpse into the heart of this often misunderstood country. They remind us that beauty can be found in unexpected places, and that even in the harshest of environments, life endures. The mountains of Somalia are not just geological wonders, they are testaments to the power of nature and the enduring spirit of the Somali people. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content.